Hello fabulous viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are sharing the happiest moment from Wang's visit to the Peace Bed event. When Wang arrived, he welcomed fans with a big smile and friendly wave. The crowd was so excited, and we can't blame them, he looked great in his outfit. Wang took the time to talk with his fans, listen to their story, and thank them for their support. This sweet moment will make your heart happy. The Peace Bed event was a big success, and Wang's presence made it even more special. From his encouraging word to his cute interaction with fans, we have got it all covered. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you love Wang, let us know in the comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.